So, Assalamu alaikum class 5. I hope you all are doing great class. So, today is 26th of May 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Fine class? Okay. So, yesterday we discussed about the divisibility rules for number 6. Isn't? Very good. So, who will tell me about divisibility rules for number 6? Yes, Abdul Moaz, you tell me. Very good. First of all, we will take a number which is 918. Fine? 918. This is the number and we will check first of all the unit place. हम क्या करेंगे? हम unit place को देखेंगे if the number is if the given number is even or not. So for even we have unit place ended with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. अब इसकी unit place क्या है? 8 है. So it is clearly mean that it is even number. So we can write it is divisible by 2. This is an even number. So we can write it is divisible by 2. This is the first rule. Now the second rule is to check it's the sum. If it's the sum which is 9 plus 1 plus 8 is divisible by 3 or not. Fine. So उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 8 is 18. Now the sum is 18. Now we will check is it divisible by 3 or not. Fine. If it is divisible by 3, so we can write this number, the given number is divisible by 2 and 3 also. Fine. The given number is divisible by 2 and 3 also. Now 18 is inside the division and 3 is outside the division. 3 6 times 18. 3 6 times 18. So we will write 6 here. We will write 6 here. Which means it is divisible by 3 also. Fine. We will write it is divisible by 3 also. Hence this number is divisible by 2 and 3. Now in the end we will check the given number is divisible by 6 or not. अगर इन दोनों रूल्स में से एक भी रूल फेल हो जाएगा, so we will stop here and we can write as the given number is not divisible by 6. Is it clear to all of you? Fine. Now we will check here. Nine one eight को हम divisibility 6 पे क्या करेंगे? Divide करेंगे. As you know class 6 2 times 12, so I will write 6 1 times 6. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. I will bring down 1 here because 3 is smaller than 6, so I will take 2-digit number, so I will write 1 here down. Now as you know 5 times is 30. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 3 minus 3 is 0. I will bring down 8 here. As you know class 6 3 times 18. 6 3 times 18 with no remainder in the end. So we can write 918 is divisible by 6. Fine. So class, today we will discuss how we can find divisibility rules for number 8. lesson. So today we will discuss divisibility rules for number 8. Divisibility rules for number 8. So class, as you remember, 1000, 2000, 3000 up to so on are the multiples of 8 which we have discussed earlier. Isn't? Okay. So therefore, if the last 3 digits of number are 0, then we can write as the number is divisible by 8. Fine, this is your first step. First of all, you will check like 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 up to so on. Fine, if the last 3 numbers of the digit are zeros, so we will say divisible by 8. Fine, the number divisible by 8 is divisible by 8. Now in next step we have, if a number does not end with 3 zeros, अगर उसके 3 zeros end पे नहीं होंगे, then we will check divisibility as follows. We have, let's take a number which is 6128. If you look class, the last 3 numbers, digit of this number is not 0. Fine. Now we will check divisibility rules for this number. Look at the digit in the 100, tens and ones place. So what are the digits? As you know, 8 is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. अब 3 digits को हम लोग देखेंगे, which is 128. Now let's check if 128 is divisible by 8 or not. Fine. अब 128 को हमने क्या करना है, चेक करने. So 120 we will take last 3 digits which is 128. Now we will check divisibility for this. 8 1 times 8. As you know, 8 2 times is 16 which is greater than 12. So I will write 8 here. Now I will subtract here. 12 minus 8 is 4. I will bring down 8 here because 4 is smaller than 8. So I will bring down 8 here. Now 8 6 times 48. Remainder is 0. So it means 8 is divisible, exactly divisible by this number. So we will write 128 is divisible by 8, which shows that 128 exactly divisible by 8. So we will write in the end 6128 is divisible by 8. Fine. अगर ये जो है divisible होगा किस पे, 8 पे, so we can write the given number which is 6128 is also divisible by 8. These are the rules for number 8. Now let's check here. 6128. Now we will take 2-digit number which is 61. So class, as you know, 7 times 56. Okay. Now 1 is smaller than 6, so I will take 1 as a carry in this number, makes 2-digit number which is 11. So 11 minus 6 is 5. 5 is smaller than 8, so I will bring down 2 here, which makes 2-digit number which is 52. Now 8, 7 times 56, so 8, 6 number and this number will make 2 digit, which is 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Now I will bring down this number here. As you know, 6 times 48. Again, we have remainder 0 in the end. So we can write in the end 6128 is also divisible by 8, because the last three numbers, which is in this number 128, is divisible, exactly divisible by 8. Fine. Now let's do its related question from exercise. Question number 7. Exercise number 2A. Question number 7. Which of the following numbers are divisible for 8? With the help of rule of divisibility for 8, with the help of rules of divisibility for 8, find out which of the following are divisible by 8. Find out which of the following are divisible by 8. Fine. Now I have first part, which is 4189. 4189. So class, what would we do? First of all, what would we do? As we have discussed a while ago. Okay, so very first class, as you know, we will check the last three digits, which is equal to 0. If the last three digits are 0, so it is divisible. It is exactly divisible by 8. But according to this example, we have 4189. So last three numbers are 189. Isn't class? Okay. So now we will check divisibility rules for number 8. So what are they? We will take last three numbers, which goes up to 100 place. As you know, ones, tens and 100. So this goes up to 100 place, 189. Fine? 189. First of all, we will check its divisibility rule for 8 by 8. If it is divisible by 8, so we can simply say the given number is also divisible by 8. So class, as you know, 8, 1 times 8, 8 2 times 16, and 8 3 times 24, which is greater than 18. So I will write 8 2 times 16. Fine. Now I am going to start to subtract, which is the rule of division from this side. 8 minus 6 is 2. So I will write 2 here. Now 2, as you look, 2 is smaller than 8. So I will bring down 9 here. 9. So 29 is not divisible by 8. Exactly. So I will read the table of 8 to make the nearest number 29. So 8 3 times 24 and 8 4 times 32. So I will write 3 times 24. Fine class. Now the next step of division is to subtract. 9 minus 4 5. I have 5 in the end. I have 5 in the end. So it means it is not divisible by 8. So in the end we will write, we can write it is not exactly divisible by 8. So in the end we can write 4189 is also not divisible by 8. Fine. Now let's take another example, which is B part. I have now class B part, we have 117 space 000. 117 space 000. So class, as we have discussed a while ago, a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last 3 digits is a multiple of 8 or there are zeros at its 100, tens and 1 places. As we have discussed, very good. So according to place value chart, we have this number. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Isn't class? This is the way to represent place value of this number. Fine. So as we have discussed the rule, if the last 3 numbers ended with zeros, so we can say the given number is divisible by 8. So we will simply write it is divisible by 8. It is divisible by 8. Fine? Is it clear to all of you? Now I am going to repeat. You have to listen very carefully. हमने rules जो हैं वो divisibility of number for divisibility rules for number 8 के लिए क्या condition जो है वो पढ़ी थी. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last 3 digits is a multiple of 8. अगर तो last 3 numbers जो हैं वो multiple of 8 होंगे, so हम उसको वहाँ पे क्या कह देंगे, we can simply write as it is divisible by 8. और दूसरी सिचुएशन क्या हो सकती है, if there are zeros at 100, ones and tens place, we can also write it is divisible by 8. Fine. Now I have another example, which is C part 6408. 6408. Okay. Now I have a number which is 6408. Fine class. So first of all we will write its place value, which is ones, tens and 100. I will take last 3 numbers of this last 3 digits of this number, which is 408. I will check if this number is divisible by 8 or not. So I will check the divisibility rule for this. 408 by 8. As you know, I will not take only one number. So the first number is 4, which is smaller than 8. So I will take 2 numbers, which is 40. As you know class, 8 5 times 40. So the next step is to subtract. ये 0 हो जाएगा and I will write this number, bring down here. As you know, 8 1 times 8. Remainder is 0. Now it is exactly divisible by 8, so I can write it is exactly divisible by 8. Fine class. Now in the end we can write, therefore the given number, which is 6408, is divisible by 8. Fine. In the end we will write 66,408 is also divisible by 8. So this is all you have to practice. Question number 7, all parts in your notebook from exercise number 2A, and the page number is 33. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.